All my life I have pain in my mouth. Only somebody have this kind of pain like I used to have can really understand and know what I mean. It was just really, really bad. It was so bad, I used to cover my mouth when I was laughing. I used to cover my mouth when I was talking. I can't take it anymore. Hi, my name is Jordan Levin, and I did Olanex with Dr. Gabi, and it was amazing. Dr. Gabi and his team, I was feeling comfortable with him. You know what he's doing. He's a gentleman. He really want to change your thinking about when you come into the dentist. I'm not afraid to go to the dentist anymore. Before the procedure, I couldn't eat. You need to think how to eat it. Every couple months I have infection here, infection there, because I forgot I can eat on this side. And then Dr. Gabi came and we have some plan. Like, don't worry, trust me. I'm like, okay, Dr. Gabi, I'm trusting. And he did it. I'm so recommend to do that. It's gonna change their life. And now it's changing your comfort and eat whatever you want, smile. I love to smile now. I'm proud to smile. It just makes you feel better, nicer, more beautiful. Do it, guys, do it. My experience with Dr. Gabi, it was amazing. It really changed my life. Thank you, sir.